তুচ্ছ হবে। ও বিষয় ছাড়িয়া কবে শুদ্ধ হবে মন, কবে আমহে নব শ্রী বৃন্দাবন। বিষয় ছাড়িয়া কবে শুদ্ধ হবে মন, কবে আমহে নব শ্রী বৃন্দাবন। ও রূপর গুণাথ পদে হইবে আকুতি, কবে আম বুঝবসে যুগল প্রীতি। রূপর গুণাথ পদে হইবে আকুতি, আম বুঝবসে যুগল প্রীতি। আর রূপর গুণাথ পদে রহু মোর আশা, সাধন করয়ে সদা নরোত্তম দাস। রূপর গুণাথ পদে রহু মোর আকুতি, কবে আম বুঝবসে যুগল প্রীতি। ও রূপর গুণাথ পদে রহু মোর আশা, সাধন করয়ে সদা নরোত্তম দাস। রূপর গুণাথ পদে রহু মোর আশা, সাধন করয়ে সদা নরোত্তম দাস। ও হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে। হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে। ও হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে। হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে। ও হরে बिहारी लाल की जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे। चलो हरि कथा उसके बाद कीर्तन आफ्टर हरि कथा देन कीर्तन अगेन because remember the beta remember the harmonium with organizer you yes organizer responsibilities Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj nice organizer nice
preaching
nice organizer nice
management nice management
nice management nice
preaching
if you know management not proper
preaching is
not proper understand you organizer so next time I will chastise you yeah my dictionary no sorry you understand
no sorry
in my dictionary no sorry
No, sorry.
before sorry you have to careful bring everything two sister organizer
Alright, English.
Chinese organizer
No, sorry.
no sorry yeah otherwise you know attend midanga kartal kirtan that is all makes the environment atmosphere comes. Then everybody concentrate and can listen Hari Katha. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and organize this thing also. Mridanga Kartal Harinam. Why we are speaking? Why we are first?
chanting
No, doing kirtan. And how to concentrate for mind. Why not first Hari Katha? Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when we Nam Sankirtan, then our mind will be concentrated. Because conditional mind always is what? Vikra, and completely
distracted.
scattered
understand? But when Nam Sankirtan, then your mind becomes slowly एकत्रित हो जाएगा है
Focused 1.2.
मन को एकत्रित करने के लिए नाम संकीर्तन चाहिए नाम संकीर्तन if you do नाम संकीर्तन हरि कथा before हरि कथा नाम संकीर्तन means kirtan glorification the name midanga karta then how to do it okay anyhow today yesterday was very nice kirtan no very nice no. I saw the what is it called?
on YouTube, Facebook.
Very nice. When I read on the room, very nice. They are playing. Everybody is very nice. Good. Tabakara Kamala Pare. Nishinha. Prayers. Tabakara Kamala Pare Naka. Adhuta Singam. Dalita Hiranyakasipu. Tanavina. Kesavadrita Narahari Rupa Jai Jagadisha Hare Jai Jagadisha Hare. Yesterday you did very nice, very sweet harmonium voice. I listening. Jai Shri Gurudev ki jai. Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya चक्षुर्मितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaurati He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Haripriya Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Matabendu Puri. Matabendu.
So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sapasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sapasya Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sapasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presently all of mine respectful guests. Actually, yesterday was very spiritual and auspicious day. Vaisakhi Purnima, Buddha Purnima, and the appearance day of Madhavendra Puripad, and also another Radharaman appearance day Prakaptar. Many things also this thing. But yesterday was very short time. I have to finish Nishingadev Katha. For this regard, I did not speak about the glorification of Madhavendra Puripad. In our Guru Parampara, disciplic succession, Madhavendra Puripad is called the Prema Ankura. Prema Ankura means sprout of Prem, which first manifested in the heart of Madhavendra Puripad. And especially, and this Prem again manifested in the heart of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave this Prem to Rupa Goswami Pad, Sanatana Goswami Pad, Raghunath Das Goswami Pad. Then in this way coming Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Narottam Samananda Srinivas, then coming in our Guru Parampara, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Bhakti Siddhanta, Srila Saraswati, Prabhupada, then Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gurudev Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. And in this way, that Prem and manifested in this. So Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very nicely glorified about Madhavendra Puripad. This is very important. You have to listen about the character of our previous Acharya. Acharya Jivan Charit. That's called Acharya Lila. What did he say? Acharya Lila. We heard Krishna Lila Katha, Ram Lila Katha, Mahaprabhu Lila Katha. Very sweet also. But our Shastra and Guru Varga they are saying no. First to listen, Acharya Lila Katha. Understand? Very important. So Madhavendra Puripad is very prominent Acharya in our Guru Parampara. And especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he traveled in South India, that time he came one place and he was staying one devotee's house. That time one devotee told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, one Vaishnava has come in their village. That time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and met with him. And when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just paid his obeisances, his lotus feet, then he told, have you any relationship with Madhavendra Puripad? That time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very humble, yes. Madhavendra Puripad is my Param Gurudev. Which Gurudev?
Param Gurudev.
I am the disciple of Ishwar Puripad. That means I received Diksha mantra from Ishwar Puripad. Or my Gurudev, Ishwar Puripad, he took Diksha from Madhavendra Puripad. This relation. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very humble, why do you ask to Madhavendra Puripad? Why do you ask about Madhavendra Puripad? And that time he told, Madhavendra Puripad is my Gurudev. What is his name? Sirangapuri. My name is Sirangapuri. My Gurudev, Madhavendra Puripad. Because when my Gurudev chanted holy names and performed bhajan and sadhana, I saw all kinds of ecstatic symptoms manifest in his heart. Or same ecstatic mood also in your heart, I realize. For this regard, I recognize, I confirm that you have relationship with my Gurudev. Because here in this way, Guru Parampara, all our prem coming. That is called how the source of prem coming in our disciplic succession, Guru Parampara. First I tell you Guru Parampara, we discuss in two ways. One is called Bhagavad Parampara, or another is called
Anustani.
Pancharatrik Parampara. Remember, Pancharatrik Parampara means according to the rules and regulation of Narad Pancharatra. Receive Diksha mantra from Guru. That is called Pancharatrik Parampara. Guru, Param Guru, that Guru, Guru Parampara. This is called the Param Guru. Guru Parampara is the succession is come. That is called Pancharatrik Parampara. Understand? According to the rules and regulation of Narad Pancharatra. Narad Pancharatra, this Grantha gives proper instruction how to will come in our Guru Parampara and receive Diksha mantra from Guru. There is rules and regulation, Vidhi Bhakti. That is called Pancharatrik Parampara. You have to first understand what is the meaning of Pancharatrik Parampara. Ratra means, actual Ratra means Gyan, knowledge. Understand? Pancharatrik, Narad Pancharatra. Narad Rishi, he also manifested this grantha that is called Narada Pancharatra Rules and Regulation of our disciplic success and how to receive Diksha mantra from Guru, how to give respect to Guru, Vaishnava, this everything and explained. That is called Narad Pancha Ratra. Pancha means 5. Ratra means knowledge. 5 types of knowledge you have to need. Understand? What are the 5 types of knowledge?
Jiva.
Krishna Tattva Gyan, Bhakti Tattva Gyan, Jiva Tattva Gyan, Prema Tattva Gyan, Maya Tattva Gyan. And also others knowledge, Vaisik, others Shastras, you have to know. That is called Pancha Ratra. Ratra means, what did he say? Gyan, knowledge, Pancha Ratra. This is the thing. So in this Grantha, very nicely explained sequentially how to properly receive Diksha mantra from Guru, and also in this Grantha explain the symptom of Guru, the symptom of disciples, both also means. Bona fide Guru need or simultaneously need bona fide disciple. Sadguru and Satsisya. If you not Satsisya, you cannot receive the mood of Guru. Maybe Guru is bona fide, but the disciple not bona fide. So how disciple receive the prem from his Gurudev? Because the Madhavendra Puripad, 2 disciples. One is called Ishwar Puripad, or another disciple, his name, who criticized his Guru. Just I forget. Ramchandra Puri. Ramachandra. But Madhavendra Puri become very angry. When Madhavendra Puri, he became very old and always absorbed sweet pastimes of different programs and Krishna and crying. Day and night he was crying and shedding tears. Oi Dino Deadra Natho, Mathura Natho, Kada Bulloka said this was crying. At that time Ramchandra Puri he told Gurudev, why you are crying? He did not understand the inner heart of his Gurudev. So he told Gurudev, you are Brahma. And Brahma should not cry for another Brahma. This is the Leela. So that time Madhavendra Puripad became very angry. Look this. Then Madhavendra Puripad rejected him. Tumhare dekhili amar abhi naragati. Madhavendra Puripad very humble told, if I see your face, maybe I will go here. So this is even not even he also criticized to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also. Because first committed offense to the feet of Guru, or then committed offense to the feet of Krishna and Vaishnava. Look this thing. He called to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He gave invitation to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Please come take prasad in my house. He prepared many kinds of preparations. Maybe 200 preparation, delicious prasad. Offered to Thakurji, then offered to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu start to eat prasad, then he criticized, hey, you are sannyasi, why you are eating so much? He prepared, offered, and then also he criticized. Look this thing. Actually, in previous life, in Krishna Lila, he was Jotila or Kutila. Understand what is your nature? Actually, there is Lila. You understand? They are also Nitya Parikar. They are not ordinary, but saying to us. Understand? So now coming in this way. But Lord Chaitanya, Madhavendra Puripad gave all his treasure heart to Ishwar Puripad. Then Ishwar Puripad, he gave all his treasure heart to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Ishwar Puripad, with his body, mind, and heart. He served to his Gurudev, Madhavendra Puripad. Understand? And he served two ways. Yesterday I told two kinds of Guru Seva. One is called Bapu Seva, another is called Vani Seva. But Ishwar Puripad, simultaneously, he served his Guru Madhavendra too. Bapu Seva and Vani Seva. Understand this thing? Very nicely served for him. So for this regard, Madhavendra Puripad very pleased with him, and he gave all his treasure of heart, Hidai Dhan. That is called Krishna Prem, Prema Bhakti, highest Prema Bhakti. So, Ishwar Puripad. Understand? And then, Ishwar Puripad, he gave this treasure of heart to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also gave this treasure of heart to Rupa Goswami Pad. Why? Because Rupa Goswami Pad, he absolutely surrendered lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu himself told. And Mahaprabhu glorified about Rupa Goswami. And understand? You should not criticize to Guru and Vaishnava, any circumstance. And this is very important. But Guru and Vaishnava, they are very humble. They are not taking your offense. They know you are stupid, nonsense, rascal. As like babies stooling, passing
on the mother's lap.
On the mother's lap. But mother's, what is she doing?
Tolerant.
And cleaning and again taking back her baby. In the same way, Guru and Vaishnava, they are very humble. They know they are stupid, nonsense, rascal. And when their own sense gratification is coming or any obstacles coming in their life, that time they also criticize the Guru and Vaishnava. Oh, this is not bona fide Guru, this is not bona fide Vaishnava, and start to criticize. But Guru Vaishnava, they are very humble. They know they are stupid, nonsense, rascal. But in this material world, where will get the bona fide disciples? My Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he explained this. Guru mile lakh lakh, Sishya mila bhai. Sishya mila lakh lakh, Guru mila bhai. Maybe bona fide Guru present in this material world, very difficult to find out bona fide disciple. I like Sir Prabhupada. Understand? Or Rupa Goswami. So come in this way. Mahaprabhu, he gave all his treasure of heart to
Rupa Goswami.
Rupa Goswami. Look this, our Gaudiya Parampara, how slowly small sprout, then plant, then tree, then how big and many branches and fruits and flowers and fruits come. Understand? You understand really? How small. The actual, I am saying in these things, because this sprout of Prem, Premankur, and first manifested in the heart of Madhavendra Puripad. But what kinds of Prem? Not Vaikuntha Prem, not Ayodhya Prem, not Dwarka Prem, not Mathura, not Golok. Which Prem? Vrindavan. Even Vrindavan also,
Many times.
4 types of branches are there. Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya. Dasa Prem is there. That is called Raktapatra. They have also prem towards Krishna. That is called Dasabha. And then Sakha. Sakha is higher than Dasa. Subal Siddham. They have very intimacy, friendship with Krishna. Then more higher prem, that is called Vatsalya prem. And parental mode is higher than Sakha. And that in the heart of Nanda and Jashoda. But this is Parikshit Maharaj, he asked this question. Nanda kim akrod brahman sevang mahodayam Jashoda cha mahabhaga apujasa stanam hari. Parikshit Maharaj, he asked to Sukadeva Goswami, hey Brahman, hey Gurudev, if I qualify, please give the answer to my question. Nanda Kim Akrod Brahman. Hey Gurudev, Nanda Jashoda's previous life, what is their good karma? They received Krishna as like their son. Not only this, Jashodacho Mahabhaga. How Mother Jashoda, she is great fortune. Mahabhaga. Because Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead and sucking the breast of Mother Jashoda. Papu Jasastanam Hari. Papu means sucking. Stanamani breast. So that means Krishna. You are sucking the breast of Mother Jashoda. So saying Nandaki Makrudu Brahman Sri Vanga Mahodayam Jashodacha Mahabhaga Papu Jasastanam Hari. Not only this, many slokas also there. Brahma, Shiva, Lakshmi cannot attain that type of pain. Our mother Jashoda, she served to Krishna as like her innocent baby. So say this. Not to Virincha, no. Shiva. It is very, very rare for Brahma and Shiva. And now Mother Jashoda, she served to Krishna as like her innocent baby. Krishna also says, Mata more putra bhave kare tarana bhatsan. Mata more putra bhave kare tarana bhatsan. Krishna told, my mother Jashoda, she chastised me as like her baby. And also twist his ears. And she sometimes also her. Not beat.
No.
Chastise. I will beat you. I will beat you. Mother should not beat her baby. Not beating.
Just to show the
Just also chasing, you know.
Showing the stick.
So for the Mata Mori Putra Bhavi Kare Lalana Palana. Look this thing. How Mother Jashoda, she nourishment to Krishna. As like baby. So much parental love and affection in the heart of Mother Jashoda. This thing. Namami Saram Sachidananda Rupam Rasadikum Gokule Rajanam Jasoda Bhiyolo Khalabdhavamanam Param Rishthamatyam Rudantam Murnetram Jugumamrijantam Paramboja Jugnena Shatam Kanetram Mursasakampa Strirekhanka Kanta Sikagaye Vadamo Varam Bhakti Saptabrata Muni Padma Puran very nicely glorified about Dambandhan Lila, how Mother Jashoda, she bind to Krishna with a small rope. What the rope? Rope coming from her
Hair braid.
hair
Braid.
braid. She bind to it. Krishna, his name is called Ananta. Ananta means endless, infinite, Asima. His name is Asima Krishna. Asima means
Endless.
endless, infinite. But Mother Jashoda, she bind to Krishna with a small rope. How possible? Well, this is because Mother, she bind to Krishna with her Vatsalya rope. Listen. Listen this way. Then in Vrindavan, I told you, Vrindavan, 4 kinds of prema. Dasa, Sakha, then Vatsala. Then highest prema, that is called Gopis prema. Highest prema. Among the Gopis, Srimati Radhika's love prema is what? And unique, unparalleled. For this regard, Krishna himself told, Priya jadi man kari kare bhatsan, vedastuti hoite mor, hari mor man. Then Brahma, Shiva, Narad. Those who are the devotees of opulence, Vaisarja Marika Bhakta. Understand? Those are devotees of
Aishwarya, opulence.
opulence. They also stuti, recited, reference, lotus feet of Krishna, with the Veda mantra. And Om Tad Vishnu Paramam Padam Sada Pashanti Suraya Diviva Chaksuratatam Om Sasa Sirsa Vishnu and Om Narayana Jayayati Om Brahma Narayana Jayati. Many Vedas to the Pursukta mantra. Yes. But Krishna says, I am not happy. And with this Vedas mantra. But my beloved gopis, when they used the very harsh words, what are the harsh words? Stupid, nonsense, rasta. Debauchery. Then Krishna is very eager to listen. They are sweet, loving words. Understand? These are things. Krishna is very happy. So Krishna says these words, Priya jadi man kari kare bhatsan. Who my beloved gopis? They did man, Salkimod. And used many harsh words. Then I am very happy. Vedastuti hoite more, hari more man. My mind completely stolen. With their sweet, stupid nonsense words. Understand? Yeah. Why? Because their prema is. Their prema, very high level prema. You cannot understand. Gopi's prema is higher than the mother Jashoda, Vatsala. But this is Krishna completely bind with their prema. For this regard, Krishna says also, Na pareham nirabuddham samjam sasadu krita vibodhan sabiva jama griha shrinkhala samvishya pratijatu sadhuna. Yes, Mati Radhika, I never repay your debts. I completely what? Indebted of your praying. Look this thing. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna, what did he say? Je jathamam prapadante tang tadaiva bhajamam mama vartanu vartante manusa partha sarvasha. According your offering surrender, I am giving to you. That's like reciprocate. But in Bhagavad, what did he say? Gopi preme apanake kaheveni. Krishna says, I completely indebted the divine love of gopis. So how come on this way? Why I'm saying it? Because this prem, highest prem. And this prem also 2 types of. One is called Milan, another is called Viraha, meeting and separation. Especially Srimati Radhika, she felt tank of separation from Krishna. And that time she also used many transcendental words that called Dibba Unmad Dasa, transcendental madness of Srimati Radhika. That is called the song of Bamboo. The song of Bamboo. Brahman. Madhubakitavo Bandhu Mahapisrangi. Srimati Radhika, Dibba Unmad Dasa, transcendental madness coming. Look, in her transcendental vision, Dibba Netra. She is now Vrindavan, but she is thinking in Mathura, Krishna is meeting with another lady. Look this thing. Kachid Gopa Dhayanti Krishna Sangamam. Sukdev Goswami Pad told this verse. Kachid Gopa, here Kachid means Srimati Radhika. Kachid Gopa Dhayanti. Dhayanti means she is meditating. And what she is meditating? In Mathura. And Krishna is meeting with another goat. Ladies. Actually, this is not true. And at the same time, and one black bee or bumblebee came and tried to sit the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Because Srimati Radhika's feet is very sweet, as like fragrance, blossom, lotus. Same time Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, oh, I realized Krishna is meeting with another lady. So I now am become very angry. Now Krishna, he sent his one messenger, Duta. Understand? To pacify my anger. Look at this thing. Then Srimati Radhika, she recited, Madhupakitava Bandhu Mahapisrangi. Hey Black Bee, get out from here. You are the messenger of Krishna. You have come here to pacify my man. Man, understand? Anger. Get out here. Look, this is for Brahma. So again, Madhupakitava Bandhu Mahapisrangi. Why am I saying? Because this type of separation mood, highest mood, manifested in the heart of Srimati Radha. Why I am saying this katha? Because same mood manifested in the heart of Madhavendra Puripad. Because this connection with Srimati Radhika and Madhavendra Puripad. Understand?
What connection?
Madhavendra, the connection, this Dipon the transcendental madness of Srimati Radhika. These types of prem first manifest in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Or same prem manifest in the heart of Madhavendra Puripad. The connection or not? For this regard, this is the connection, samparka. So for this regard, Madhavendra Puripad, he cried day and night. And Vaidina Dayadranatha Mathuranatha Kada Avolokase. And Hidayang Tad Lokakatarang Daita Bhammate King Karomaham. Vaidina Dayadranatha Mathuranatha Kada Avolokase. Srimati Radhika is very humble. Hey Krishna, now you are the king of Mathura, Mathuranath. And Vaidina Dayadranatha Mathuranatha Kada Avolokase. When again I will see your lotus feet, that means when you will again return back Mathura to Vrindavan. And now my heart completely broken. I can't tolerate separation from you. These types of mood, crying and crying and crying, Srimati Radhika. This thing. And same mood in the heart of Madhavendra Puripad. Day and night, Madhavendra Puripad, he was crying. Same mood of Srimati Radhika. The Sanskrit word that is called Mathur Virha Katar. Mathur Virha Katar. When Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, and all Brajavasis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. That is our bhajan and sadhana, how to receive these types of sprinkle of mood. So this sprinkle of mood first manifested in the heart of Madhavendra Puripad. Madhavendra Puripad. Very sprout. And then this sprout of prem transferred in the heart of Ishwar Puripad. Then Ishwar Puripad, he gave this prem to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, same prem, gave to Rupa Goswami Pad. Then Rupa Goswami Pad gave to Jiva Goswami Pad. And Raghunath Das Goswami, then Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. In this way, our disciplic succession has come. Because first I told two kinds of our Guru Parampara. One is called Pancharatriki Parampara, and another Bhagavata Parampara. So Pancharatriki Parampara, according to the rules and regulations of Narad Pancharatra, and Guru, Param Guru, and Pratpar Guru, that is Guru. Disciplic succession will come. And another is called Bhagavatiya Parampara. Bhagavatiya Parampara, you may take Diksha from any bona fide Guru, but you have to take Siksha from high class, exalted, Rashik Guru. And then same prem will manifest in your heart. Because sometimes Guru Parampara, that is called Pancharatric Parampara, not possible the bona fide disciple. Not possible sometimes. So for this regard, Shastra is saying is this way, then your Diksha Guru, you receive Diksha from bona fide Guru, but you have to take Siksha from high class, exalted Brajarasik Guru. Then same prem will manifest in your heart. Do you understand? Give an example as like Baladev Vidyabhushan Prabhu. Baladev Vidyabhushan Prabhu, he did not direct receive Diksha mantra from Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. Understand? Vishwanath Chakravarti. But Baladev Prabhu, actually he is the perfect disciple of Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. Why? Because Baladev Prabhu, Baladev Vidyabhushan Prabhu, he learned all Shastra and Ras Madhurya, everything from Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. You understand? For this is the connection with what Guru? Bhagavad Parampara. Bhagavad Parampara. Bhagavad Parampara means this way. That always not necessary my Gurudev, then another Guru, another Guru, another. This is not it. This is called Bhagavad Parampara. This. Have to take Siksha from high class Rashik and Vaishnava. You understand or not? Try to understand. This is the process. And learn all Shastra. Give an example, either Narottam, Samananda and Srinivas. Narottam, Samananda, Srinivas. They took Diksha from different Guru. Narottam Das Thakur, he took Diksha from Lokanath Das Goswami. Understand? Narottam Das Thakur took Diksha from Lokanath Das Goswami. But he took Siksha from Jiva Goswami Pad. Look at this. This is the connection is your Bhagavatiya Parampara. Samananda Prabhu, he took Diksha from what is his name? And what is it called? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Parikar. Hidai Chaitanya. But he took Diksha from Jiva Goswami Pad. Narottam Samananda. Srinivas Acharya. Srinivas Acharya, he took Diksha from Gopal Bhatta Goswami. But he took Siksha from Jiva Goswami Pad. So Narottam, Samananda, Srinivas. They are different gurus, disciples. But all they took Siksha from Jiva Goswami Pad. This is the connection with Bhagavad Parampara and Pancharatriki Parampara. How the connection with this? So you can take Diksha from any bona fide Guru, no problem. But you have to take Siksha from high class Brajarasik Guru. Then the prem will manifest in your heart. Understand? Especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took Diksha from Ishwar Paribar. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not give Diksha mantra to anyone. Understand? Who is the disciple of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Who is the disciple of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Everybody, all Goswamis. They are saying, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is our Guru. But then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not give Diksha mantra. No Gopal mantra compared to not Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave all his treasure of heart to our Goswamis. Especially Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami. Look this. And all they are thinking, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is our Guru. Though they took Diksha from different gurus. But all they are thinking, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is our Guru. For this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's prem, Madhavendra Paripad, Ishwar Paripad, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then coming Rupa Goswami Pad. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not give Diksha to Rupa Goswami. But all the prem coming from where?
Chaitanya
Chaitanya
Mahaprabhu.
Mahaprabhu. How did he come? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not give Diksha. So, how will come? Well, this is called Bhagavati Parampara. Bhagavati Parampara means this way. You receive Diksha mantra from him, you do not. But you have to absolutely surrender his lotus feet and listen Hari Katha, and then that mood will manifest in your heart. You understand? Rupa Goswami Pad. He did not take Diksha from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but he absolutely surrendered to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave all his treasure of heart friend to Rupa Goswami Pad. Then Rupa Goswami Pad gave all this prem to Raghunath Das Goswami. Raghunath Das Goswami took Diksha from Jodhanandan Acharya. Look this thing. But he took this all Diksha, all this prem from Rupa Goswami. So for this is got a Rupanuga Vaishnava. Raghunath Das Goswami is called Rupanuga Vaishnava. He is one pointed with Rupa Goswami Pad. And Jiva Goswami Pad also he took Diksha from Rupa Goswami Pad. Rupa Goswami Pad, one disciple. Who? Jiva Goswami Pad. Look at it. Who is the disciple of Jiva Goswami Pad? We never heard. Jiva Goswami Pad, he made any disciple. Understand? So in this way, in our Gaudiya Parampara, is two connections, two things. One is called Pancharatriki and another is called Bhagavati Diksha. Pancharatiki Diksha and Bhagavati Diksha. But one thing, very carefully listen, if you only one way to the Pancharatri Diksha leads to Vaikuntha, or Bhagavati Diksha leads to Golo Vrindavan, highest place. You decide what you want. Understand? But this is not always necessary, but this is also these things. Only Pancharatrik Diksha means that is called Vaidhi Bhakti, Vaidhi Marg. Or Vaidhi Marg leads to Vaikuntha. Or Bhagavati Marg leads to Guru Vrindavan. So this is important. Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mati Kriyotam Yadi Kutopi Labbate Tatrapi Laulam Ullam Janma Koti Sukrita Labbhati. Only your Sukriti, you cannot attain this highest frame, Braja frame. And even your millions birth, Sukriti, matured and accumulated, you cannot attain Braja frame. Understand? Sata Janam, hard slow. Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mati Kriyatam Yadi Kutopi Labbhati Tatrapi Laulam Ullam Janma Koti Sukrita Labbhati. How will attain the Braja Prem, Gopi Prem? Need your greed. Lobhamai Bhakti. Understand? Braja Prem, one name is called Lobhamai Bhakti. Lobha means greed. But how will you get the greed? How will come greed in your heart? And with the association of high class, exalted, Brajarasik, Sadhu Guru. Anaradha Radha Padam Bujarenu, Anasrita Vinda, Atavitat Padankam, Osambhasva Tadabhava Gambhir Chittan, Koto Samo Sindhu Rasa Savagaho. If you want to submerge in the highest Braja Prem, then you have to follow the three principles. First one pointed with Srimati Radhika. That is called Radhika Nishtha. You understand? One pointed with Srimati Radhika. Radhika Nishtha. Madhisanante Bangpur Chandra Prajapaneswari. Radhika Nishtha. Or second, you have to stay in Vrindavan. Vrindavan bus. Understand? Not Wales bus. You have to stay in Vrindavan bus. If not possible, physically stay in Vrindavan, but you have to stay in Vrindavan with your mind. So don't you worry. Or third, you have to associate with high class Brajarasik Vaishnava sadhu. तार भक्त संगी सदा रसलीला प्रेम कथा जे करे से पाए घन श्याम. Always associate high class Brajarasik sadhu is good. One's heart completely, absolutely full of Brajaras, Brajaprem, as like a Rasagulla. If you took out the Rasagulla, then the Rasa understand? Juice, also what? Drop it. In the same way, one's heart full of Brajaras, Brajaprem. You associate with him. Associate with him means what? Listen, Braj Katha. So for the Krishna Bhakti, Rasa Bhavita Mati. Rasa Bhavita Mati. Krishna Bhakti, Rasa Bhavita Mati. That means one's heart, mind, completely absorbed with the Brajaras, Brajaprem. Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavita Mati. Kriyatanjali Kutobita Bhate. If you see these types of Brajaprem in one's heart, you have to buy. How will you buy? How much money? What is called?
Cost.
Pound. How much pound you pay?
Sterling.
Million. But no need to pay the pounds, no need dollar, no other thing. Just to pay your greed. Greed. Greed means lobha. What the lobha? I want to listen Braj Katha. Braj Katha Nisevanam. How to listen Braj Katha? Not other Katha. These types of greed will come. Padya Raghunath Das Goswami Monastic explained. Every verse of the last sloka, what is saying? Braji Radha Krishna Prachura Puricharja Nanumanaha. O mind, always you absorb in Braj and serve given through Radha and Krishna. This great. Only thing, not other thing. So in this way, Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavita Mati Kriyatang Kutopi Labbhati Tatrapi Lullam Ullam Janma Kudi Sukrina Labbhati. With your Sukriti, spiritual pious activities, charity, donation, you cannot get this Brajaprem. Only you pay your greed. What greed? Listen, Hari Katha. Braj Katha. So this is our Guru Parampara. So I explained two our Guru Parampara. One is called what?
Bhagatya.
Bhagavatiya Parampara. Or another is called Pancharatri Parampara. But only Pancharatri Parampara lead to Vaikuntha. But Bhagavatiya Parampara leads to Goloka Vrindavan. This is very highest way. This is very important. Krishna Katha. So now coming in this way, Madhavendra Puripad, he performed bhajan and sadhana. And some Vaishnavas very explain this way. The Madhavendra Puripad, once he came in the house of Nityananda Prabhu in Ekachakrakam. And that time Nityananda Prabhu was small boy. And then few days Madhavendra Puripad, he was staying in the house of Harai Pandit, the father of Nityananda Prabhu. Then after a few days, Madhavendra Puripad, he told, I had to go my pilgrimage place, Tirtha Parjatana. Then Harai Pandit, he is a householder. According to the rules and regulation of Vedic culture, householder have to give some donation to sadhu. Huh? Understand? So that time, Madhavan Harai Pandit, the father of Nityananda Prabhu, asked to him, "If what donation will I give to you? What do you want?" Then Madhavendra Puripad very humbly he told, "I have not anything." But Harai Pandit again and again pushed him, "No, you are sadhu, you have come in my house, I have to give something to you." Understand? Then Madhavendra Puripad told, "Okay, I am now old and I can't to carry my cloth or what is called water pot, there is jalpatra. So I have need one person. Give your son." Understand? Then finally, Harai Pandit, he gave Nityananda Prabhu. Then Nityananda Prabhu, he traveled with Madhavendra Puripad all the pilgrimage place. There's Nityananda Katha is coming in this. Look this. Actually, Nityananda Prabhu, he received Diksha mantra from Lakshmipati Tirtha. Nityananda Prabhupada in his purport explained. But Nityananda Prabhu has so much love and affection with Madhavendra Puripad and has so much attachment with Madhavendra Puripad. But he received Diksha mantra from Lakshmipati Tirtha. So now coming in this way, Madhavendra Puripad did bhajan and sadhan. Then he came in Vrindavan and he did Brajamandal Parikrama, especially Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama. And one night, Madhavendra Puripad, he performed bhajan and sadhan very close to Govinda Kunda. Govinda Kunda and very close, another is Kunda, that is called Sankarsan Kunda or Balram Kunda. Sankarsan Kunda, there. And Madhavendra Puripad, his nature, that is called Ajachak Vritti. Ajachak Vritti means, and he did not ask any madhukuri to someone. Understand? And if anybody will give, then he will eat. Otherwise, no. And Kohuchana, Kohumana. And sometimes he got some madhukari, but sometimes nothing. Then he chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So on the bank of Govinda Kunda or Sankarsan Kunda, Madhavendra Puripad, and day and night chanting holy names and crying, shedding tears. He did not ask any food, any madhukuri for someone. That is called, what is called? क्या बोला? अजाचक वृत्ति. किसी को मांगते नहीं. मिल गया तो अच्छा ही है, नहीं मिला तो नहीं. So Madhavendra Puripad, in this way, he performed bhajan on the bank of Govinda. Then in the meantime, about sunset, then one small boy came, as like cowherd boy, maybe 5 or 6 years old, blackish boy. He brought some milk, understand? Dharashna milk, and offered to Madhavendra Puripad, and told, Baba, take this milk, because whole day you did not drink anything. Then Madhavendra Puripad asked, how did you know? I did not eat, I did not drink anything. That boy is very clever, cunning. He told, my mother came here to bring fetching water from this kunda. My mother noticed your face and completely dry. For this regard, my mother sent this milk for you. And another thing, in our Braj, no one will fast. Braj mein koi
fasting नहीं करता.
fasting नहीं करता. But this Braj is Srimati Radhika. Understand? The Queens of England, London.
Very generous.
That means Queens of England, what is your passport written? inside England, written is there.
Yeah.
And all the residents, they are mine.
Look at the passport.
क्या लिखा है? पढ़ा कभी
Look
नहीं?
at the passport.
क्या पढ़ा?
Passport.
Eh?
Right there, under the shelter of the Queen, is that your abode, your everything.
So now in the same way, that cunning boy, very nice, sweet words. He told. This is true. Because Vrindavan is Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, she is the queen of Vrindavan. Vrindavan is Srimati Radhika. So how possible anybody will be full fast? And that boy is very nicely told. Because who is that boy? Krishna. But he did not give his identification Krishna. He told, my mother came here to fetching water from this kunda and noticed your face and she realized you are
Dry, old.
no, you are completely full fast. But for this regard, my mother sent this milk. Please take this. And Madhavendra Puripal, he noticed that boy, how beautiful and attractive. And Madhavendra Puripal's heart completely stolen. Look this. Very sweet words, smiling face. Then Madhavendra Puripal, little bit he drank the milk. Then his heart completely was overjoyed. All kinds of ecstatic symptom manifesting in his heart. Romanchakam. Krishna Prinka. Because that milk is coming from where? Srimati Radhika or Mother Yashoda. Then Madhavendra Puripal, he chanted holy names, but his mind always thinking about this boy. Same word. Oh Baba, take this milk, take this milk. Because Madhavendra Puripal completely absorbed chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Madhavendra Puripal closed his eyes. And tears rolling down and chanting holy name. So for this regard, that cowherd boy, small, that means Krishna, blackish boy, and very loudly shouted, oh Baba, take this milk, take it 2, 3 times, 4 times, loudly. Baba, take this milk, take this milk. Then after a few minutes, then Madhavendra Puripal opened his eyes. Then Madhavendra Puripal saw, how's very nice, beautiful, smiling face. And these very sweet words, Baba, take this milk, take this milk. So love and affection come. So now coming this way, Madhavendra Puripal, he drank the milk. And that boy, he told, Baba, take this milk, I am going to something, work my house, then I return back and take this pot. He left this, then he disappeared. Madhavendra Puripal realized, who is this boy? And whole night, when night came, and Madhavendra chanting holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then midnight, very sweet dream had come. Have you dream? Dream coming or not? Sometimes come, good dream. Sometimes it's bad dream. I'm only bad dream. If you bad think, then bad dream will come. Why bad dreams are come? Because you are thinking bad things, stupid nonsense things. Before go to sleep, you have to chant Mahamantra and meditate to Guru and Krishna. Then Guru and Krishna will come in your dream. Understand? Or before going to sleep, you watch the ghost movie. Then ghost will come whole night. Understand? Then you will become Kamsa.
Crazy.
Crazy. Before going to sleep, you have to what to do?
Chant Hare Krishna.
Chant holy names. Meditate to Guru and Krishna. Then whole night Krishna. Whole night Krishna movie, not ghost movie. 2 movies. One is ghost movie, another Krishna movie. Which movie do you prefer to say? Huh? Krishna. Yeah. Very nice, beautiful. And so now coming in this, Madhavendra Puripad in his dream had come. Same boy. Which boy? That blackish boy. Very nice, beautiful eyes, lotus eyes. Very nice, beautiful lips. Completely what? A reddish color. And blackish boy or reddish color lips. Very nice, long eyes. So they go Nasika, very nice, beautiful nose. And very nice, beautiful, curly black hair. Very nice, beautiful. Peacock. Okay. And he asked in his dream, Madhavendra, and so long time I'm in the under the earth ground. And because Mlecha, Musalman, and they disturbed the Hindus. And so Pujari, he left me. This is my Vigraha. My Vigraha manifested by Vajranath, who is the great grandson of Krishna. My name is Gopal. Now I'm under the earth ground. So please take out me. Where is that? Then in his dream, that voice, he also lead to him and coming this place on the top of the mountain of Giriraj and one deep forest. In the meantime, Madhavendra Puripad wake up. Then in the meantime, early in the morning, then Madhavendra Puripad, he called all the Brajavasis. And with the help of the Brajavasis, then Madhavendra Puripad, what is it called? Digging. Then he found a very nice, beautiful, that is Gopal. কবে মাধব আমায় আসি করিবে সেবন. So now coming in this way, Madhavendra Puripad, he found very nice, beautiful Gopal. Then established on the top of the mountain of Giriraj Govardhan. And he also cleaned and Abhishek. Understand? How do Abhishek? With the milk, yogurt, honey, sugar, ghee, and what? Very clean. Then Madhavendra Puripad, he did a very big festival. That is called Annakut festival. You know Annakut festival? Very nice. And all the rich persons of Mathura, Mathura jato bada set, and all the rich businessmen of Mathura, they also helped this Annakut Maha Mahotsav. Not one day. Nanda Maharaj, he performed only one day Annakut Maha Mahotsav, Giriraj Govardhan Puja. But Madhavendra Puripad, how many days? Annakut Maha Mahotsav and 1 month continues. And very nice, beautiful Abhishek, do puja and do this. And then after 1 month, when puja finished, then again Gopal, he told to Madhavendra Puripad, hey Madhavendra Puripad, so many years I was under the earth, and so I'm feeling so much what is called garam, heat. So you have to bring very cooling sandalwood wood from South India. Malai Chandan. Best qualities of sandalwood. And that time Madhavendra Puripad was very old. Madhavendra Puripad. But Krishna Seva, Govinda Seva. Madhavendra Puripad, in his old age, he proceeded to south, bring the Malai Chandan. What Chandan? Malai Chandan. Very cooling sandalwood. But on the way, he came in Ramuna. That is called Kirchara Gopinath now. Understand? That's it happened. One night, Madhavendra Puripad, he took rest. Evening time. That the Pujari, at that time he was doing arati. Eh? And when he was doing arati, then sweet fragrance coming from the temple. Then Madhavendra Puripat, very sweet smell coming. What kinds of prasad you offer to Thakurji? Then Naivedya. Then Pujari of temple and Gopinath, he told, they every day we offer 12 pots of what is called?
Sweet rice.
Eh?
Amrit Kali.
Amrit Kali. Then offer. Then Madhavendra Puripad thinking, what is Amrit Kali? And he did not ask to him, give some prasad, nothing. Just in his mind. Madhavendra Puripad, just in his mind, he is thinking, if I receive the this little bit remnants of Thakurji's this Amrit Kali Mahaprasad, then I can taste. Then when I return back to Govardhan, then I also prepare very nice, beautiful Amrit Kali to my Thakurji, Gopal. This thing. Just his mind is thinking. He did not ask to anyone. So after Arati, night time, Pujari closed the door and everybody left the temple. Madhavendra Puripad, he came in one market. That time market also closed. Just Madhavendra Puripad, one corner, and he was chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Midnight, the Pujari of Gopinath, in his dream had come. Gopinath told, hey Pujari Gopinath, Thakurji, Gopinath Thakurji told, hey Pujari, please, hey Pujari, wake up. And my Jogmaya, he did not know that I stole one and Amrit Kali pot and that I put under my Singhasana. Because every day you offer 12 pot. But my Jogmaya, you are thinking 12 you took out. Actual one pot I already stole and kept under my Singhasana. And this Amrit Kali pot you have to offer Madhavendra Puripad. He is my best devotee. Then Pujari, he waked up early, midnight. Then he took bath, chanting Gayatri mantra. Then he entered in the temple of Gopinath. Then he noticed under the Singhasana, that the one Amrit Kali pot is there. Then Madhavendra, that the Pujari, and he came in the market and loudly he told, who is Madhavendra Puri? Who is Madhavendra Puri? Jar lagi Gopinath koilo kher churi. Who is Madhavendra Puripad? And yet Thakurji stole and kheer, Amrit Kali kheer for him. And then Madhavendra Puripad very humble, he told, my name is Madhavendra Puripad. Then Pujari offered to him. For that day, everybody called him, the Thakurji's name, what is his name? Kheer Chora Gopinath. That means Gopinath he stole the sweet, sweet rice, that is Amrit Kali sweet for Madhavendra. For this regard, now everybody called, that temple name is called Kheer Chora Gopinath. Bolo Kheer Chora Gopinath. But Madhavendra Puripad just little bit he tasted that the Amrit Kali Mahaprasad. Then he think I have to not stay here. Then he left that place. Because Madhavendra Puripad is thinking early in the morning Pujari must be glorified about me and everybody give me so much name, fame, reputation. For this regard Madhavendra Puripad, night time, midnight, he left that place and went to south. So now coming in this way, Madhavendra Puripad, he came in south. Then he collect Malai Chandan because he is Thakurji. What is Thakurji's name? Gopal. So he collect the Malai Chandan. Understand Malai Chandan? What do you understand? Satkanda Raman Parishita Karma. Malai Chandan. sweet sandalwood. That is called, there is a Malai Chandan. So Madhavendra Puripad in South India, he collected what Chandan? Malai Chandan. Very nice, beautiful. And sweet fragrance sandal. Then he came again in the same way, and one night he was taking rest in that the Khirchora Gopinath. And then Thakurji Khirchora Gopinath again had come in his dream. Madhavendra Puripad, he was sleeping in the temple of Khirchora Gopinath. Then again Gopinath had come in his dream. And Gopinath told, "Hey Madhavendra Puripad, now you are very old. How possible to carry this sandalwood, Malai Chandan, to Braj, Giriraj Govardhan. Listen, and you can also put this sandalwood paste in the body of Gopinath, and then your Thakurji will be pleased. Because there are no difference between Gopinath and Gopal. Well, I'm same Vigraha, just different names. Thakurji's name. Then Madhavendra Puripad, early in the morning, he also, which call it? Pasting. Paste the Malai Chandan. Grounding the sandalwood, and also put the whole body of Gopinath. And then Gopinath body completely what? Cold. And same way, Gopal, where? Giriraj Govardhan, he very happy and is cool. Hello, Madhavendra Puripad. Then after a few days, Madhavendra Puripad, and in Remuna, same place, Gopinath, he become high fever, then he left his body in there. So for this regard, if you go that place, Khirchora Gopinath, very close, that is the Samadhi Mandir of Madhavendra Puripad. Bolo Madhavendra Puripad ki jai. Bolo jai 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 Madhavendra Puripad ki jai. Jai Gopal Dev ki jai. And now this Gopal in where? Nathdwar. Now Gopal is now where? Nathdwar. Udaipur, Nathdwar, Rajasthan. And so, actually, how Madhavendra Puripad, he performed bhajan and sadhana and absorbed in the same separation mood of Srimati Radhika. He Deva, he Daita, he Bhuvanaika Bandhu, he Krishna, he Chapala, he Karunaika Sindhu, he Nata, he Ramana, he Nayana Bhiramam, ha ha kadano bhavitasmi bhubur disorme. Very nice, beautiful this. And slokas. Actually, this is also uttered by Bilamangal Thakur. Remember the same one. Deva he daita he bhuvanaika bandhu, he Krishna he chapala he karunaika sindhu, he Nata he Ramana he Nayana Virama, ha ha kadano bhavitasmi bhubur disorme. Very nice, beautiful this. And mood, highest mood. And very separation mood. In this separation mood, also Brahma Bhav, Salki mood. This thing, Salki mood, Brahma Bhav, left wings mood coming. He Deva, he Daita, he Bhuvanaika Bandhu, he Krishna, he Chapala, he Karunaika Sindhu, he Nata, he Ramana, he Nayana Bhiramam, ha ha kadanu bhavitasmi bhubur disorme. Very high class mood is there, separation. Bhajan sadhan means is here. This is how to absorb with the highest mood of Brajvas, especially Brajvas. Understand? What the Rupa Goswami Pad explained. Karnam or Puchitadi, Sukurta Nam Smito, Kramina Rasana, Monosin, तिष्ठन व्रजे तदानुरागी जनानुगामी कालं नये akhilam ityopades saram. Always remember Krishna's sweet names, Madhura Nam. Upadesamrita. Again and again. You read Upadesamritam. Who wrote Upadesamritam? Rupa Goswami. Learn the verses. All verses of Upadesamrita. First to learn these four. Vacha vegam manasa krodha vegam jiha vegam udarupastha vegam etan vegam ju vishati dhira sarvam peman prithiving sasisat. Upadesamrita. First look. Then attahara prayasasya prajalpa niyamagra janasangasya lolancha saravibhakti vinasyati. Then utsad nischadharya tat karma pravartana sangat tyaga sato vitti saravibhakti prasiddhati. In these statements, and do bhajan and sadhana, chant holy names, and never criticize any Guru and Vaishnava. Guru Vaishnava की निंदा करना नहीं चाहिए. If you criticize to Guru and Vaishnava, then all your bhakti, everything is what? Finished. Understand? So very carefully. Never criticize any Guru and Vaishnava. Just I told Guru Vaishnava, they are very humble. They will not take your offenses. But they are food dust, will not tolerate. Understand? And Vaishnava Padavali cannot tolerate. So no need to criticize to anyone. Only do bhajan and sadhana. Chant holy names and read Upadesamritam, Manasiksha, Siksha stock. Understand? See, Grantha books have to read. As like your Kantahar, necklace of your
shoulders.
कंठार क्या बोले इंग्लिश बोलो कंठार
neck, around your neck,
around your ornamentation of your neck.
हाँ कंठार माने always you decide the Upadesamritam slokas Manasiksha and Siksha stock. 3 granthas. First Upadesamritam Vacha vegam manasakudha vegam jiha vegam upastha etan vegam ju vishati dhira sarvam pivan prathivi
Sarvashisha.
Then Siksha, Manasiksha, Guru, Gushti, Gushlesu, Sujuni, Pusaravani, Samantri Shinamni, Brajanu, Vajodanda, Sarni, Sadadam, Hitwa, Utitaramo, Ai Santa, Chotubi, Uvijachi, Dita Pada. Raghunath Das Goswami. I wrote one grantha, Raghunath Das Goswami. What is called? Swaniyam Dasakam. Understand? Understand? Swaniyam Dasakam. Raghunath Das Goswami. He took 10 vows and how to perform bhajan and sadhana in Vrindavan. That is called Sanyam Dasakam. I mentioned that grantha you can read. Sanyam Dasakam. Our Guru Vaishnava, they manifest many books, but we are not reading, we are not doing bhajan and sadhana. If you do bhajan and sadhana, you have to read grantha. Just not only chanting holy name. Only chanting holy name, their dryness will come. Suskota will come. Dryness. But when you read Shastra, Grantha and chant holy names, and your heart will be Sarash. So much mellows come. For this regard, our Goswami, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, all Goswamis, Guru Vargas, they wrote many granthas. And our Gurudev, beloved Gurudev, how many granthas? Many granthas. You read. Understand? Not only your Hare Krishna, hey, what you are doing, Hare Krishna, what are you doing? This is not. Chant holy names and remember Gurudev's Grantha, Slokas. You chant Hare Krishna, then recite one sloka Upadesamritam. Then Siksha stock. 8 verses of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is Siksha Ashtakam. Sriturpanam Arjanam Bhavam Aha Dabagi Nirvapanam Sriya Kairvachamita Vidanam Viddabadhu Jivanam Anandam Buddhi Vardhanam Pratipadam Purnam Nitasadhanam Purna Atmam Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. Namsam. So that's it. नम नमकारी बहुधा निज प्रसति त्राकित निमित स्मरण काल एतादृश तव कृपा भवनमपि दुर्दैवम्यदिश अजनु अनुराग नादपि सुनीचेन तरोरिव सहिष्णुना मानि नमानदेन कीर्तनीयं सदा. And chant holy name. You have no time to criticize to anyone. Why criticize to anyone? No need. Understand? How many the holes of the strainer? You know strainer?
Sieve.
How many? 1 or 2?
1,000.
1,000. And how many the hole in the back of the needle? How many?
1.
1. But the strainer is saying, hey needle, in your back?
You have 1 hole.
1 hole. But he is not looking how many?
Holes he has.
That means is what? Always you think, I have many faults. In this way, you purify your heart. No need to look others' faults. Chant holy name, do bhajan and sadhana. One life. And pray to Krishna. Do bhajan and sadhana. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That is Lord Nishingadev.
Dev ki jai. Marganda Puripad ki
Then Arati, you prepare for Arati.
Shri Bhaktivinoda Bhagwan Maharaj ki jai. Shri Gurudev ki jai.
Narottam Das Thakur, you took initiation from Lokanath Das Thakur.
But Shiksha from Jiva
Shiksha
Goswami.
from Jiva Goswami. But Lokanath Das Thakur is still Vrajavasi Vaishnava, no?
Lokanath Das Thakur took Diksha from? No, Lokanath.
Narottam
Das Thakur, he took Diksha from?
Lokanath.
But he took Shiksha from all, he learned all Shastra Shiksha from Jiva Goswami.
So my question is not to say that Lokanath Das Goswami was not a Vrajavasi Vaishnava.
Yes, but
Still
he
was.
but you took Shiksha from whom? Your Guru will be recognized. If Guru present, then Guru will be give instruction. Because Lokanath Das Goswami, he told to Narottam Das, Narottam, you take Shiksha from Jiva Goswami. Understand? And if your Guru departed, did not tell to you, according to mood, you can see someone, the same mood, my Guru, you can take Shiksha from him. You understand? And if Guru present, actual, you can say, Madhava, what is called? Lokanath Das Goswami, Manjulali. He is not ordinary person. But that time, Narottam, what is called? Lokanath Das Goswami completely absorbed in his, what is called, Bhavadasha, Premadasha. That he has no time to give the instruction of the disciple. For this regard, he told. Understand? Lokanath Das Goswami told, you take all Shiksha from Jiva Goswami.
And Madhavendra Puripad, who is he in literally?
Madhavendra Puripad name is not mentioned in our original Grantha. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Parikarjika Grantha is not mentioned. Because later manifested, for this regard, his name is not in there. After Rupa Goswami, then all their mandir is in there. Madhavendra Puripad not there. Anyhow,
Narottam took Shiksha from Rupa Goswami or Jiva Goswami?
Satkanda Ramayana pade Sita boli karma. Narottam Das Thakur, when Narottam Das Thakur?
After, yeah, so Jiva
माथा
Goswami.
खराब हो गया, कुछ सुनता नहीं.
And
प्रश्न
Shamananda?
सुन करके पता लगता है ये कुछ सुना ही नहीं. नरोत्तम दास रूप गोस्वामी पाद कब आया और नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर कब आया था? समझ में आया कुछ? रूप गोस्वामी पाद है, रूप गोस्वामी पाद, जीव गोस्वामी पाद, जीव गोस्वामी पाद के बाद कौन है? तब तो ये लोग तो अप्रकट हो गए. जीव गोस्वामी पाद, रूप गोस्वामी पाद अप्रकट हो गए.
Left this planet.
तो फिर और जीव गोस्वामी पाद से उन्होंने सब शिक्षा.
और
सुना
Shamananda.
ठीक से सुनो.
हाँ, कुछ
इतना दिन तो सुनता हो, कुछ पढ़ता ही नहीं, बस जो मैं बोलता हूँ वही सुन करके रख देता हूँ.
और Shamananda किसके
बोल दिया, सभी बोल दिया, आप समझ में आ जाए, बाद में पूछना. कम बुद्धि वाले थोड़ी होता है। यशोमती नंदन रंजन कान यशोमती यशोमती नंदन ब्रजवरनागर गोकुल रंजन कान यशोमती मदन मनोहर दमन विधान अमल हरिना अमी अभिलाषा हरि विपेन पुरंदर नवीन नागर वर ओम शिव जन सुबासा विपेन
I think I dropped one by your feet here. Can you get me one more?
Om Shiva Dana Subhasa O Brajajana Palana Asur Kulana Sana Brajajana Palana Nanda Gu Dhanu Rakhwala Nanda Gu Govinda Madhava Navanita Taskara Govinda Madhava Navanita Taskara Govinda Madhava Navanita Taskara Govinda Madhava Navanita Taskara Sundara Nanda Gopala Sundara Nanda Gopala O Jamuna Tatachara Gopi Vasana Hara Jamuna Tatachara Gopi Vasana Hara Rasarasika Rasarasika Kripa Moya Rasarasika Kripa Moya Rasarasika Kripa Moya O Sri Radha Vallabha Vrindavana Natavara Sri Radha Vallabha Vrindavana Natavara O Sri Radha Vallabha Vrindavana Natavara Sri Radha Vallabha Vrindavana Natavara Patati Vinodaya Sraya Patati Vinodaya Sraya O Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Oh Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Ram वृंदावन चंद्र जय जय श्याम सुंदर जय राधा रमन रस बिहारी श्री गोकुलानंद जय जय राधा रमन जय राधे गोविंद जय राधे गोविंद जय रसेश्वरी विनोदिनी भानुकुल चंद्र जय जय रसेश्वरी विनोदिनी जय जय ललिता विशाखायादि जात सखी वृंदा जय जय ललिता विशाखायादि जात सखी जय राधे गोविंद जय राधे गोविंद राधे गोविंद जय जय श्री रूप मंजरी रति मंजरी आनंद जय जय श्री रूप मंजरी रति जय जय पूर्णमासी जोग माया जत वीरा वृंद जय जय पूर्णमासी जय राधे गोविंद जय राधे गोविंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे राम 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 हरे 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 राम बोलो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे बोलो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे निताई गौरंग जय निताई गौरंग निताई गौरंग जय निताई गौरंग निताई गौरंग जय निताई गौरंग श्री राधा विनोद बिहारी जी की जय। जय श्री श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जी की जय। जय निचला कृष्ण विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तरम श्री महाराज की जय। शिलानंद ऋषि महाराज की जय। भक्त प्रज्ञान केसर गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। अत्यंत प्रभुपाद की जय। भानु गुरुवर्ग की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। हरे पावन नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय। शशिनंदन गौर हरि की जय। जय माधवेंद्रपुरी पाद की जय। जय श्री राधे। ओम वृंदावन कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यभक्ते नमो नमः मंचाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। गुरु महाप्रसाद की जय जय
भक्तिवेदांत महाराज की
सुमुखी परिवार की जय।